Dr. Shruti, your economics teacher. Today I am here with a new topic, that is money and credit. What is money? Anything which is accepted as a medium of exchange is called money. Before invention of money, there was a system of direct exchange of goods which is known as barter system. This system was having some shortcomings, like it was depending upon double coincidence of wants. There was lack of standard unit of measurement, difficulty in deferred payment, and lack of storage facilities. These shortcomings compel that people to find out a new and easy mode of exchange, and money came into existence. In the beginning, commodity money came into existence, in which food grains, animals, seashells, and precious stones were in use. And after that, metallic money came into use, in which coins of gold, silver, and aluminiums were in use. At the third phase, paper currency came into existence, and at present we are using plastic money, which includes the use of ATM card, debit card, and credit card. Now the question is, who is the money supplier in India? In India, there are two money suppliers. The first is Ministry of Finance, Government of India, which is authorized to mint coins, and the second is Reserve Bank of India, which is authorized to print paper currencies. When we do economic activity, we earn money, and a part of money we use to keep in commercial banks as savings. This saving is known as deposit. Then what is the use of this deposit? This deposit gives interest to the depositors, and the commercial bank uses this deposit to create credit. This deposit is also known as demand deposit, because the bank always keeps ready to meet the demand of the depositors. How the credit is created by the banks? Bank creates credit by setting some terms and conditions, like rate of interest, mode of repayment, address proof, ID proof, and collateral. Then what is collateral? Any asset which is given by a borrower at the time of loan to the bank is known as collateral. This collateral is returned by the bank when the loan amount is repaid. If the borrower fails to pay back the loan amount, the bank sells this collateral to recover loan amount. Now, what are the sources of credit? All the units of credit are categorized as formal sector and informal sector. In formal sector includes commercial banks, cooperatives, and other government departments, financial institutions, etc. While informal sector includes money lender, trader, landlords, and friends and relatives. Uh, while formal sector follow the rules and regulations, that's why low rate of interest is charged from the borrowers. While in informal sector, rules and regulations are not followed, that's why high rate of interest is charged by this sector. The high rate of interest sometimes put the borrower into debt trap, and it happens when the rate of interest becomes higher than the income of the borrower. That's all for the day. Thank you.